is not enough, but it is such a perfect place.
Agree, it looks spectacular. If earlier for such a picture, it was necessary to shoot a studio, find a model, douse it with paint, now it is enough to have access to the Neuron's Midjourney and Runway. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a simple liquid effect in 10 minutes of free time. I am sure this video will be useful for photographers and those who are engaged in animation and graphic effects. First, you need to have access to the Midjourney network. You can do this by paying a monthly subscription of $10 on the site, or ask your friend for a visit. After you go online, we start prescribing prompt. Prompt, which I will use in the description under the video. You can use it or even supplement it. In this case, your perception of the picture and imagination plays. After generation, select the picture we like and save it to a PC. Next, we go to the Runway website. I will also leave a link to it under the video. Register. This tool is provided free of charge, but has its own restrictions. Drag our picture to the site and write it in the description for the picture. Black liquid paint. After which, we start generation. The generation is calculated for 4 seconds, but then we can extend it for as long as you need. We succeeded in such a video. Now you can apply a filter to the video if necessary and add noise. I personally used it in my videos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. See you in the following videos.